How to recover lost data on iPhone. So here is a quick guide on how to do so. First of all you have to do is simply tap on the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Once inside the Settings app, simply tap on Apple ID at the top and navigate to your Apple ID settings. In there, scroll down and tap on the iCloud option available there. Inside iCloud, scroll down and there you will get to see iCloud backup option available. Since you can see my iCloud storage is full and I need to get a new one by simply adding the payment method. Now inside the iCloud, all you have to do is tap on the backup now option available at the bottom and start backing up your iPhone. So basically, if you are using the iCloud backup, then it's easy to recover your iPhone's lost data. But if you have your storage full like mine, then you will need to get a upgraded version of iCloud for the better storage. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.